Learn all tenses in 30 minutes. English grammar. Today we will learn all tenses in a simple, clear way so you can use them confidently.
I will explain forms, uses, and short examples. We will also share signal words too.
Present simple shows facts and habits. Use the base verb and add s or es for he, she, it. Example: she reads every morning.
Present continuous shows actions happening now or temporary plans. Use am, is, are plus verb plussing. Example: I am reading a book now.
Present perfect links past and present. Use have or has plus past participle. Example: they have finished their homework.
Present perfect continuous shows how long an action has been happening. Use have, has been plus verb plussing. Example: I have been studying for 2 hours.
Past simple describes finished actions at a specific time. Use the past form or ed. Example: he visited his friend yesterday.
Past continuous describes the background or an action in progress in the past. Use was, were plus verb plussing. Example: she was cooking when I called.
Past perfect shows an action completed before another past action. Use had plus past participle. Example: they had left before he arrived.
Past perfect continuous shows duration before a past point. Use had been plus verb plussing. Example: he had been working for hours before the break.
Future simple uses will for offers, promises, and predictions. Use will plus base verb. Example: I will help you tomorrow.
Going to shows plans and intentions. Use am, is, are, going to plus base verb. Example: she is going to start a course next month.
Future continuous shows an action in progress at a future time. Use will be plus verb sing. Example: this time tomorrow I will be traveling.
Future perfect shows a completed action before a future time. Use will have plus past participle. Example: by Friday I will have finished the report.
Future perfect continuous shows duration up to a future time. Use will have been plus verb sing. Example: by noon she will have been teaching for 3 hours.
Compare similar tenses to remember them. Present simple says, I eat every day. Present continuous says, I am eating now. Present perfect says, I have eaten already.
Compare past forms. Past simple: I ate yesterday. Past continuous: I was eating when you called. Past perfect: I had eaten before the meeting.
Compare future forms. Future simple, I will eat later. Future continuous, I will be eating at 8. Future perfect, I will have eaten by the time you arrive.
Signal words help choose tenses. For present simple, think always, usually, every day. For present continuous, think now, at the moment.
For present perfect, think since. For already, yet. For present perfect. Continuous, think how long since for with continuation.
For past simple, look for yesterday, last week, in 2019. For past continuous, look for while and when. For past perfect, look for before, by the time.
For future tenses, think will, tomorrow, by then, this time tomorrow. and going to for plans.
Question forms often use do, does, did, or auxiliary verbs like have and will, with word order changes in yes, no questions.
Negative forms place not after the auxiliary verb. Contractions with not are common in spoken English. For example, don't, isn't, hasn't.
Short spoken answers usually use the auxiliary verb yes, I have. No, she didn't. This keeps conversation clear and quick.
Irregular verbs are frequent in common speech. Go, went, gone, seesaw, seen, take, took, taken. A small list covers many useful verbs.
Timelines and small charts often show tense relationships visually and make the sequence of events easier to understand.
Common learner patterns include overusing simple forms. Gradual exposure to different time words and real sentences helps balance use of tenses.
Mini example: I wake up early. Right now, I am drinking tea. I have just read an article. Yesterday, I walked in the park. Tomorrow, I will meet a friend.
A common learning step is making a short daily story that links habits, current actions, past events, and future plans in one paragraph.
Change one sentence across tenses to see the pattern. I eat an apple. I am eating an apple. I have eaten an apple. I had eaten an apple.
Contractions, negatives, and question forms often make spoken English faster and more natural, while written English may keep full forms for formality.
Regular small practice and mini stories often lead to steady progress and more confidence in choosing tenses during speech and writing.
At the start, we said we would learn all tenses in a short, clear way. We covered present, past, and future groups with simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms.
We also compared similar tenses, listed signal words, noted question and negative forms, and mentioned common irregular verbs and visual timelines.
Today we learned the 12 main tenses with clear examples, common signals, and simple comparisons to help remember which tense fits each situation.
This lesson shows how tenses connect time and meaning. Short examples and visual timelines often make the system easier to see and remember.